First of all, I see members of JIA as self-responsible entrepreneurs who know how to run a business, develop a company, benefit from the freedom of trade, and they do it all responsibly. Together with it, they are able to suggest the society some good cooperation, which is much needed today. Moreover, they are making significant contribution on freedom and independence of our country. We are nurturing freedom of new trade. I value greatly that we are on the same team. I'm a member of JIA because it's uniting large number of construction companies and it has a new vision. Business and entrepreneurship had always been on the avant-garde of building relations, and the work that JIA is being able to perform is very significant, because every businessman is the messenger of his own culture, and this type of activity generates and serves as catalyst of diffusion, not only in terms of economy, but also in cultural, social and educational areas. Thus, I would like to congratulate this organization with very successful work, which is functioning well not only in the region, not only in its own country, but on an international level. I wish you success in your work. JIA is continuously developing every day. As of today, it's been 7 years that JIA has been uniting entrepreneurs under a single roof. There are some who are just starting their business, while others have become leading companies in country. Starting from 17 companies in 2007, today there are almost 500 members in different areas. With representatives in Bishkek, Osh, Issyk, Jalalabad, Nurlan and Talas, there are a total of 18 employees in JIA. Our goal is to support and protecting rights of businessmen in Kyrgyzstan and to be a bridge between the state and businessmen or between the businessmen themselves. We foster cooperation of local companies with foreign businesses. We introduce others to Kyrgyz traditions, culture and values, and we develop tourism. As of today, our businessmen are working with their colleagues in USA, Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Malaysia and Middle Eastern states. In past 2 years, we have organized business trips for our members to 8 different countries. Over 200 members participated in them. Moreover, it has already become a tradition of working Kyrgyz-American, Kyrgyz-Turkish, Kyrgyz-Japanese forums and national organic forums every year. These 10 international business forums were organized in cooperation with Parliament of Kyrgyz Republic, Government of Kyrgyz Republic, local municipalities and our other partners. We are providing support and guidance to those businessmen who don't want to keep without waiting for the government to take action someday. Instead, they want to initiate work today.
Жогорку окуу жайларында билим алып жаткан улан кыздарыбызды колдоп, аларга келечекте ишкерликти кантип башташы керектиги тууралуу семинарлар уюштурулуп келет. Акыркы 2 жылда 35 семинар уюштурулуп, буга 2000дей студент катышты. JIA
has founded dormitories for students, schools and nurseries in Chuy, Issyk, Osh and Jalalabad with support of our member businessmen. These institutions are serving the needs of the society. We at JIA, there has been total of over 50 million USD in investments made and over 16,000 people have been employed. JIA holds tight to its slogan of successful businessman, strong country.